Hey, welcome to Tech Factuala, where you can stay up to date with the latest progress of technologies and gadgets. Apple devices have been developed over a few years. However, this has led to rumors about the upcoming latest iPhone iteration, that is, iPhone 13. You may think with the iPhone 13 release date so far in the distance we wouldn't know much about the next-gen phone, but a variety of sources have shown us some things to expect with the next iPhone. Today we will discuss the rumors common on iPhone 13. If you want to be updated about top technologies, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Factuala for more content like this in the future. And click that bell icon to stay updated of when we post next. Let's begin with the Apple news. Rumors on iPhone 13. Number 1. 4 members of the iPhone 13 family. First off, we're expecting 4 members of the iPhone 13 family. Those are likely to be, but it isn't guaranteed, the iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The company focused on the 3 models until 2020 when it was introduced that the mini model would be the 4th handset in the iPhone 12 family. Most rumors suggest that it will continue into 2021, and that's even more likely to happen if the iPhone 12 sells well. Number 2. Backed up 120Hz refresh rate rumors. Rumors say that there will be a 120Hz refresh rate. Suggested such a display might be only one of the 2 of 4 anticipated iPhone 13 models. Maybe this means that the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max will have 120Hz screens, while the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, or whatever they end up getting called, won't. The source of that claim, a Korean site called The Elec, has since reiterated it, adding that industry sources say the top 2 models will get a 120Hz screen. That site has also now added more details, claiming that Samsung will be the sole supplier of those 120Hz panels. The topic of the notch has been under scrutiny as well, with some sources claiming that it will remain the same size as the iPhone 12 and others believing that it will be set to shrink in 2021. What will happen here is particularly unclear right now. Number 3. Underdisplay fingerprint scanner. Another link has also suggested the company may finally be ready to introduce an under-display fingerprint scanner. A lot of Android manufacturers include this technology on flagship phones, and this leak suggests Apple is ready to follow suit. One source has also suggested that 2021 may be when we see the introduction of 1TB iPhones. That's a storage size the company hasn't experimented with, at least for its smartphones, and people would expect it to be an option on the phone's most expensive Pro handsets. Hope you guys are ready for the first 1TB iPhone. Number 4. Adding a periscope camera. As for the camera, industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who is often right about Apple information, has suggested the iPhone 13 camera may be bumped to an f1.8 6-element lens from the current f2.4 5-element lens on the Pro. There are also reports that Apple is looking into adding a periscope camera to the future iPhone. This would allow for greater zoom range than current models, maybe up to 10 times optical zoom, potentially without making the camera components any thicker. However, based on rumors, this might not arrive until the iPhone 14 or an even later device. Number 5. LiDAR scanner. A report has also suggested that all 4 iPhone 13 models might get a LiDAR scanner, rather than just the Pro models having it, as on the iPhone 12 range. The same site has since reiterated that claim, but until we hear it from other sources, we'll take it with a pinch of salt. Number 6. Portless iPhone debuting. There have also been rumors of a portless iPhone debuting in 2021. It may be the company only has one handset that does this, but it would mean it'll use only wireless charging. It's a claim that has been heard from a number of sources, but most suggest that only one model, most likely the iPhone 13 Pro Max, will go portless. Number 7. Softboard Technology. On the battery front, meanwhile, it is heard from analyst Ming-Chi Kuo that the iPhone 13 might switch to softboard technology, which could allow for physically smaller batteries without reducing the capacity. There's also an Apple patent that talks about a protective charging mode, which would stop you from overcharging the phone, even if you leave it plugged in for long periods. such as overnight. However, patents don't always get used, so don't count on this. Number 8. 5G chip and Wi-Fi 6E. Rumors indicate that iPhones 13 may feature single 5G band support, but it's expected the company will be switching to either mmWave or sub-6 devices, allowing you to save money. That essentially means that if mmWave technology isn't available in your country, you'll only be able to buy the sub-6 version. Apple included both versions of the 5G technology on the iPhone 12 and saw the price of the handset rise significantly in the US in particular. Staying with wireless technologies, we've also been led to understand that the iPhone 13 is going to come packing some Wi-Fi 6E connectivity for an even faster link to the web and cloud. Number 9. iPhone 13 design. People are expecting similar designs to the iPhone 12 family, and the screen technology is likely to be similar as well because the company made big upgrades to that element of the iPhone 12. Apple has its iPhone lines on the same tick-tick-tock refresh cycles for its designs. However, the iPhone 13 is rumored to have a decreased notch in some aspects. It could either take up a small width overall or less vertical space. One thing rumored for the iPhone 12 that didn't come to fruition was the addition of a high refresh rate display. Rumors suggest that this may be introduced on the iPhone 13, and that'll make the display look smoother when playing games or scrolling through your social media feed. Based on a report from the Elec, it seems that Apple is considering bringing the 120Hz refresh rate feature to the iPhone 13 Pro models this year. The company is tying up with Samsung Display to source the new LTPO display technology for its top-tier iPhone models. The LTPO display will enable support for a faster 120Hz refresh rate without needing additional hardware. LG Display will also supply LTPO panels, but the deliveries to Apple would only begin by 2022. We'll have to keep an eye out for what happens in the future. So this was our Apple News, rumors on iPhone 13. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Tech Factuala squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching.